Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to lock WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp. Once you open the app, go to Settings, tap the gear icon. Once you're on this page, tap Account. The first option in here is Privacy. Tap on that. Here you'll see different options to choose, but we'll scroll down and then tap Screen Lock. Then you will be routed on here and just tap on Require Face ID in order for us to enable it. Here we'll choose immediately in order for WhatsApp to require Face ID whenever we're closing it. This feature adds security to your WhatsApp. Let's go ahead and try it. So I'll close first the WhatsApp. Then we'll reopen it. As you can see in here, it required Face ID. And that's how to lock WhatsApp. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.